Ninja Woodfire display not turning on? Easy fix. If your Ninja Woodfire won't light up at all, no screen, no beeps, here's how to get it going again. Step 1. Make sure it's plugged directly into a grounded wall outlet. Extension cords or loose power strips can block startup. Unplug, then plug it directly into a wall socket. No adapters or splitters. Step 2. Test the outlet with another appliance. If the display still won't turn on, plug in something like a toaster or lamp to verify power. If nothing works, you may have a tripped breaker or bad outlet. Step 3. Reset your GFCI outlet if applicable. Outdoor outlets often have safety switches. Press the reset button on the outlet itself. The grill won't turn on if the GFCI is tripped. Step 4. Inspect the power cord connection at the back of the unit. Make sure it's fully seated and not pulled loose during storage. Unplug and reconnect it firmly. If none of these steps work, the internal power board may be faulty. You'll find a link to Ninja support in the description. If this brought your display back to life, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for quick appliance guides that work. And if you're using this grill outdoors, we've linked a weatherproof outlet cover in the description to help protect your power source. Thanks for watching, and grill on!